welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Crystal Crew, or if you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you part of my daily routine, which is to infuse my drinking water with crystals. Some of you may wonder why. Well, I do it because it says that the crystals release their energy into the water, and when we drink it, the energy goes into us. At first, I was like, ugh, drinking rocks. But then, when I really actually tried it, it felt really good. But do clean the crystals before you put them in the water. Anyway, without any further ado, here is the tutorial.
Let me just finish arranging these amethyst crystals. So the first step is to just wash your crystal, like scrub it a bit, because it is to just get rid of all the dirt or dust that might be on the crystal, because you really don't want to drink that. The equipment you will need is a glass, some Himalayan salt, water, and your crystal of choice. Next we're just gonna soak the crystal for 3 days in salt water, which is just the water plus the Himalayan salt. This is so that the crystal is thoroughly cleaned, so no bacteria or just stuff gets in our body, which is not the purpose of why we're doing this. Now we're going to leave it to soak for 3 days.
3 days later.
Next, get rid of the salty water, and I'm going to give my crystal another rinse to get rid of the salt that may be on it. Now get a clean glass and put your crystal in it and pour some mineral water in it. This time pour as much as you want because you're drinking it, so however much you want. You don't have to have a lid on it, but I just want to do it so no other particles are getting in when it's just chilling. Next, leave it in the fridge for 2 hours or overnight. Woo! It's done, and it only took 3 days and 2 hours. Anyway, now I'm gonna get my special volunteer to taste it for me because I'm kind of camera shy, and the special volunteer is...
So I'm gonna let my mother try it.
Thank you. It tastes like just normal water, but actually I feel like I have some energy because it's
Thank you, Mommy.
good.
A word of warning. Some crystals are toxic and cannot be infused. Here's a list to tell you which ones can and which ones can't. Okay. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. Bye!